I've got home, I haven't taken out anything from the freezer, so I'm gonna quickly wing it with some cheesy loaded fries. And to start off, what we're gonna do is take our frozen chips, pop it in the air fryer, 200 degrees at 15 minutes. We're gonna keep sauteing that into the air fryer pan, add in a little bit of inner palm and spices. Literally gonna pop that in. Now the chips are frying in the air fryer. We're gonna start with some high protein lean beef. I'm gonna heat up my stove. Got my frying pan on. Some spray and cook. We're going to do crushed garlic, peppercorns, and of course inner palmans spice, Cajun spice. This isn't actually defrosted, but it's been a work week and I haven't had the time to think about what to cook, so we're going to make do with what we can. We're finally getting somewhere. And we didn't die, we made it through, defrosted within the pan. Definitely not what I wanted to do, but life happens. Add in some crushed garlic, inner palm spice, black pepper, let's have a look at how far our chips are in the air fryer. Also going to season with some inner palm's Cajun spice. Pop this back into the air fryer until it's golden brown. Our mince is almost done, and then we're going to start plating. I'm going to add in a little bit of chili paste. I just tasted the mince. It's got more than enough flavor in. Chili paste definitely gave it the extra zing that was needed. I'm now going to put off my eat. Right, now we're going to start plating. Grab your crispy chips. Get that in there. I'm going to add some spur sauce to it as well. We're going to pop over some mince. going to say add in a little bit of feta. Perfect. Some cheddar. Some of our cheese sauce. And lastly, some oregano. A little bit of peppercorn. Supper's ready. We made it.